Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually going to do a mini ColourPop haul. I ordered my package maybe a month ago and it just got here yesterday. I decided to do a little haul today for you guys. So this is the package. I had to blur my address. I'm excited because I haven't bought makeup for myself in a long time. And it's full. I love how colorful their packaging is. Open everything. First we have this Lippie pencil. So I'll pull it out and see what color I got because I don't remember. It's called Field Day. Let's see. It's like this mauve color. It's pretty. Should I do a swatch? Let's do a swatch. Can y'all see that? It's really pretty. The next thing I have is another Lippie pencil, but this is in the shade Petal Please. Probably like a pink, I'm guessing. Oh no, it's a brown. It's a brown shade. This is... I'm thinking that I got a lot of new colors. And I love it. Next, I have a Creme gel liner in the shade Icebreaker. Ooh. I can't get out the package. It's like a blue. I want to start doing some different color in my lower lash line. Should I swatch this too? That is bright. It's really pretty. Alright, next we have the liquid liner in the shade Graceland. Package. Looks like this. Oh, it's like a white. I guess just a white liner. Another cream gel liner in the shade Honey Dude. Not Honey Dew, Honey Dude. I don't know why that's funny. That's funny. This is like a peachy color. I'm gonna swatch that as well. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if y'all can get the full effect of these colors. It's really pretty. Next, back to the lip. We got another Lippie pencil in the shade So Happy. S-O-W Happy. And this is another brown color. This is another brown color. I'm gonna do it on top of this one. It's like a nude. And that's really, really nice. That'll be nice with a pink gloss. Continuing with, oh. So next, this is a blush stick. I wanted to try this. Honestly don't have a lot of blush, and this one is called Mic Drop. Can't get the freaking packaging open. Ooh, look, this is nice. Let's see how this is. Ooh, it comes out really, really, really pretty. You'll see it. I'm excited. I think I ordered some more blush stuff because they have a lot. Okay guys, I'm excited about this. I got some gel colors. I wanted to try, I haven't used gel like shadow or gel colors before. I wanted to try it, so we're gonna be doing a lot of experimenting. But let's go. The first shade I have is Stardust, which is like this pretty yellow. It's like this opaque creamy yellow color. Hopefully y'all can see. I don't know if my light is too bright. Let's see. Let's turn it down. So can y'all see that? So nice. I don't want to. Let's watch it. Ooh, that's pretty. These are what I'm most excited for. The next color is Venus, and that's ooh, that is a pretty red. That is very, very, very pigmented. Let's see. And it's so freaking creamy, y'all. Y'all see it? Let me put it. And look how I just barely touched it. Just barely touched it. I wonder if this red gonna stain. Because red shadows usually stain your eyes and stuff. But that's something to worry about later. Because these are amazing. Next one is Flowerful. That's a mouthful. It's like a purple. Oh, y'all, makeup makes me so excited. Y'all understand. I'm in a funky mood. Makeup just makes me so happy. Let's swatch that little. I'm hoping that all the swatches is coming up. See it? And I'm gonna put it right in above the red, so y'all can see that. Y'all see that right there? And these are so freaking creamy. I'm gonna have to watch a lot of tutorials to learn how to use these because I have no clue. But we're gonna try. We're gonna get better at it as we go. Next one is called Dimples. So, and this is like a blush pink. That's really pretty too. Let's swatch that. I'm gonna put it over top of the other pink so you can see the difference. Oh, that's like a powder pink. Still got a lot to go. Still have a lot. Okay, this is, I don't know what this is. Light My Firecracker Lippie Stick Trio. So should have 3 different shades in here. Let's see. It doesn't tell you the shades on the outside, or do it? I love this packaging. It's so pretty. Okay, the first shade, okay, on the bottom, is called Red Pocket. Ooh. I like how this is the same, this part is the same color as the lipstick. Yo, let me do the inside of my palm because I ain't got no more space. Oh my. Oh my. That is creamy and beautiful. Next one is called Lion Dance. I like this color already. Let's do this. That is beautiful, guys. That is so beautiful. You don't understand how much I love makeup. That is beautiful. The next one is Lucky Charm. So these are all just like different shades of red, and I am loving it. Now I can practice with the reds. Ooh, but the middle one, the Lion Dance, that's my favorite one. Okay guys, I washed my hands, but this gel stuff, I'm a little scared. It's still on there. I scrubbed it. We gonna see how that works on the eyes. Next thing I got was a blush palette, because I told y'all I don't really have a lot of blush. but I managed to work it out. But the blush palette is called it just say pressed powder blush. That's what it say. Just trying to look for it, but it don't. Foxy. Okay, there we go. Foxy. I couldn't find it. And it comes with a little mirror. I ain't gonna take that off yet, but this is pretty. It has like a little bit of shimmer in it too. It's like a peach. It's like a peach. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it on my hand, but you see that color still in there, but it's like a peach. It's pretty. Not sure how it's gonna look on my skin. Next we have, I had to buy something from the Disney collection because I love Disney. I bought the Quarter Miracles ColourPop Pressed Powder Chic. I believe it's a blush as well though. Yeah, it's a blush. And their packaging is so pretty. That's one thing about ColourPop. Their packaging is amazing. And they have so many different packaging. And their stuff is very affordable as well. And this is what it looks like. Ah, so pretty. Can y'all see it? And this is what, and it comes with a little mirror. They all come with a little mirror. This color is a little deeper than the other one. And this also has shimmer in it. So if you're not a fan of shimmer, I want to get these. But I like shimmer. It doesn't matter to me. And there's more. Okay, we almost finished though. So I did pick up the Foray Petal Softening Kit. It has the Rose Face Milk, which is that. I've never used it before. It's going to be my first time trying it. The lip mask, which is the thing on the bottom. And then right here is the Good Mood Gel Moisturizer. I'm excited to see how this works. And once I use it, I'll actually let you guys know how it works. And the last thing I got, liquid lips. It's like the Lux of the Party. Can't get nothing right. But these all are so pretty, and I cannot wait to use them. Should I swatch? I'm dropping it. Should I swatch them? It comes with one clear, 2 shimmers, and 2 lip colors. And I'm gonna swatch them. Well, not the clear, of course. Let's start with Tricky. Yeah, Tricky's just a little shimmer. It's just a little shimmer. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna go down this way. The next shade is Candy Kiss. It is beautiful. And it's actually a thicker gloss. It's not, I don't want to say it's not smooth, but it's like thicker gel. These actually look similar. There's like a slight difference, but you won't be able to tell unless I guess it's on your lips. But this brown nude color is called Room Service. Let's try this. And this actually has a different, okay. So this one is like a thicker applicator. The shimmer ones is a thicker applicator. But this one is a smaller. I'm not sure why that is, but we're gonna swatch it. Oh, this is beautiful. I like the texture of the liquid lip color. I'm not sure about the gloss. It's just kind of thick, but the liquid lip is really smooth. Then the last one is, it's a banger. It looked like a banger. Let's swatch this. This has the same one as the other. I guess the colored ones has the smaller applicator. See that? These are beautiful. I literally love everything that I got, and I cannot wait to try it. And I'm going to try it with you guys, of course. But that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to link everything that I got down below with the prices. And I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time that I upload, which will be every Saturday for makeup. And I might sprinkle some more in here and there. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.